Jai Srimanarayana. 14th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Deva, Dvija, Guru Prajna, Pujanam, Saucham, Arjavam, Brahmacharyam, Ahimsa cha, Sariram, Tapa Vuchyate. Om. Do not look at women, considering them as an object of pleasure. Do not hurt any being in this entire world. Respect all the devatas, gurus, parents, enlightened people. Worship Supreme Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Surrender to me unconditionally. Ma Suchaha. Do not cry. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within our bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not look at women considering them as an object of pleasure. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not hurt any being in this entire world. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall respect all the devatas, gurus, enlightened people and parents and worship you as a supreme. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 346th day. Tuta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Krishna Paramatma taking away the cloths of Gopikas, all the Gopikas saying like this, Ma valu valu muttaku, Ma koni poku poku mannimpu tagan, Ma manamela koniyadu, Ma manasa mela manumu Krishna. Oh Krishna, please do not take away our clothes. Please do not touch our clothes. Please listen to us. Please do not make us shameless. Please do not steal our minds. Like that, when all the Gopikas were saying, Krishna Paramatma has stolen, has taken all the Gopikas' clothes and saying like this, Oh my dear Gopikas, come to me, take your clothes. I am telling you the truth. Na mayodita purvam va anrutam. I have never lied in the past. Either ekaikasaha pratichadvam sahaiveti sumadhyamaha. You can come one after one, or all of you together come and take away clothes from me. Like that, Krishna Paramatma saying to Gopikas. Why Krishna Paramatma has taken away Gopikas' clothes? Because Gopikas are doing vratam. And now some mistake has happened in this vratam. Without having clothes, Gopikas were taking bath. That is a wrong thing. That is doing wrong thing towards the Jaladhi Devata Varuna. That is what is obstructing the benefit of the vratam. But Gopikas has extreme amount of affection, love towards Krishna Paramatma. For that Krishna wanted to give them fruit. But here some mistake also is being happening. So in order to fix that, Krishna Paramatma has taken clothes away so that all the Gopikas will do namaskaram. With that, the prayaschittam will be done. For this reason, Krishna Paramatma has taken away the clothes of Gopikas. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashetravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 14th sloka. Devadvija Guru Prajna Pujanam Sauchamarjavam Brahmacharya Mahimsa Cha Sariram Tapavuchyate. Devadvija Guru Prajna Pujanam Sauchamarjavam Brahmacharya Mahimsa Cha Sariram Tapavuchyate. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.